Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop comparing yourself to others. And these will be the easiest instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to stop comparing yourself to others. Without further ado, let's get right into this video tutorial. Number 1, stop it as soon as you notice it. Now, comparing yourself to others is a common habit, and to be honest with you, I do it all the time. I'm trying to stop it myself. But as soon as you notice it, the best thing that you can do is just halt it in its tracks, just stop it, and just move on without doing it. So the moment that you are aware of it, stop it immediately. That's the best thing that you can do to stop comparing yourself to others, is like literally stop it. You notice it, literally stop it. That's how you can stop comparing yourself to others. It's literally in the name of what you're trying to do. All right, moving on to number 2. Number 2 is focus on improvement in yourself without thinking about others. So oftentimes we'll focus on improvement in ourselves, but we'll compare it to others. So I'll say, I want to achieve this because that person achieved that. Or I'll say, I want to achieve this after I saw that person achieve that. But by removing the comparison to others and just focusing only on the improvement in yourself, you're going to be in a much better position. You're going to stop comparing yourself to others. So just focus on what you want to improve in yourself, what you want to do with yourself, how you want to be better yourself without comparing yourself to others, without bringing in the other people into that equation, into that mix. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is limit your social media time and social media use, because it actually fuels the comparison mindset. So going on social media, like inevitably you're going to compare yourself to others. Even if you don't know this person in real life, you're gonna inevitably compare yourself to them in one way or another. It just, even if you don't directly do it, going on social media fuels the comparison mindset because you're seeing everybody else. So I'm not saying get off social media, but like limit your social media use. If you find yourself comparing yourself to others after going on social media all the time, then, or you find yourself referring to social media when you compare yourself to others, then just really limit the social media use. Try and, only follow accounts and pages that are like related to things that you can't compare yourself to, like informational accounts, because then you won't be able to compare yourself to what they're talking about. Like if you're learning about the planets, you can't compare yourself to anyone in that sense for the most part. But yeah, just limit social media use because it definitely fuels and feeds the comparison mindset. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is, remember, you're only seeing the best of someone. When you see something on social media or in real life, you're only seeing the best of that person or that couple or that family. There's so much that goes on behind closed doors and so much struggling that you don't see. So with that being said, when you're even thinking about comparing yourself to others, remember that you're only seeing the best of that person and that it's not their everyday reality. That is just the best moment that you're seeing. And when you think about that, it'll make it easier to not compare yourself to them because you're like, oh, that's just the best of them. And there's no need for myself to compare my everyday reality with the best of what I see of them, right? So think about it like that. Okay, moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 5. Number 5 is practice gratitude. Say what you're thankful for and grateful for. Practicing gratitude is a great way to ground yourself and to just remember the things you have. When you compare yourself to others, you're usually looking at the things you don't have. Okay, or you're seeing what you have and what they don't have to make yourself feel better. But by just stopping and looking at what you have yourself, by being grateful for what you have by yourself without comparing it to others, it grounds you and it allows you to stop comparing yourself to others. So it's literally that simple. I highly encourage you to just do your best to stop comparing yourself to other people because it really will rob you of joy that you have. I don't know what the quote is. I think it's like comparison is a thief of joy. I think that's how it goes. But yeah, like comparing yourself to others is just going to rob you of any joy or happiness that you might feel. So anyways, that is it for this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you liked it. I got nothing else to say, so we are going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.